अधक्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाश्चिकण्ठादिवगं रुद्रः पश्यदाः ये होदानामधिपतय स्ववर्तिनः ये पृथिव्याम् अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातामर्षमिषवस्थे व्योदश प्राचेद्दश दक्षिणा दश प्रतीर्दशो द्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते न वृणेन्दु ते विश्वयश्च नाय पितं बोधं वेददामि ॐ थोरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः नमस्ते अस्त्ररुद्ररूपेभ्यः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै ईशान सर्वविद्यानामीश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्मणोऽधिपति ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवम् अघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः नमस्ते ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः षोडशोपचार पूजां समर्पयामि।
नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
देवदेवोत्तम देवतास्तारभौम अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर विराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव चतुर्वेद प्रिय चतुर्वेदम अवधारय। ओम अग्निमीले पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवं मृत्युजं होतारं रत्नधातारं हरि ओम इषे चौर्ये द्वापायमस्तो भायमस्त देवो वः सविता प्राप्येति श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणे हरि ओम अग्न आयाय वीतये मृडानो हव्यदातये निहोताय सच्चिपरीषि हरि ओम शन्नो देवीरभिष्टया आपो भवन्तु पीतये शय्योरभिस्रवन्तु नः हरि ओम देवदेवोत्तम सार्वभौम अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर विराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव श्लोक प्रिय आगम श्लोकम अवधारय। ओम व्योम व्यापिने व्योमरूपाय सर्वव्यापिने शिवाय अनंताय अनाथाय अनाश्रिताय ध्रुवाय शाश्वताय योगपीठ संस्थिताय नित्ययोगिने ध्यानाहाराय ओम नमः शिवाय सर्वप्रभवे शिवाय ईशानमूर्धाय तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय अघोरहृदयाय वामदेवगुह्याय सद्योजातमूर्तये ओम नमो नमः गुह्यातिगुह्याय गोप्त्रे अनिधनाय सर्वविद्याधिपाय ज्योतिरूपाय परमेश्वरपराय अचेतन अचेतने व्योमन् व्योमिन् व्यापिन् व्यापिन् अरूपिन् अरूपिन् प्रथम प्रथम तेजस्तेजः ज्योतिर्ज्योतिः अरूप अनग्नि अधूप अभस्म अनादे नाना नाना धू 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 ओम भोः ओम भुवः ओम सुवः अनिधन निधन निधनोद्भव शिव सर्व परमात्मन् महेश्वर महादेव सद्भावेश्वर महातेजः योगाधिपति मुञ्च मुञ्च प्रथम प्रथम सर्व सर्व भव भव भवोद्भव सर्वभूत सुखप्रद सर्वसानिध्यकर ब्रह्म विष्णु रुद्रपर अनर्चित असंस्तुत पूर्वस्थित साक्षी तुरु पतंग पिंग ज्ञान शब्द सूक्ष्म शिव सर्वदा शिवाय नमो नमः। ओम देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर विराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव स्तोत्र प्रिय स्तोत्रम अवधारय। श्रीकान्तद्रोहिणोपमन्युतपन स्कन्देन्द्रनद्यादयः प्राचीना गुरवोऽपि यस्य करुणा लेशा गदा गौरवम् तं सर्वादिगुरुं मनोऽन्यवपुषं मन्दस्मितालङ्कृतं चिन्मुद्राङ्कितमुद्रपालिनलिनं चित्ते शिवं कुर्महे देवदेवोत्तम देवतास्तार्भौम अखिलाण्डकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायक श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरपराशक्ति समेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव द्राविडवेदप्रिय द्राविडवेदम् अवधारय மந்திரமாவது நீரே வானவர் மேலது நீரே சுந்தரமாவது நீரே தொடிக்கப்படுவது நீரே தந்திரமாவது நீரே சமயத்தினுள்ளது நீரே செந்தோவர் வாழுமை பங்கன் திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரே ஆலவாயன் திருநீரே திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரே சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். ஓம்
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
The next offering of today's Uttamottama Seva is the offering of Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana Priya Paramashiva Shakti Avishkaranam Avadaraya. नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याजिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, we welcome all the visitors, viewers, Kailaivasis watching this segment of today's Uttamottama Seva, the offering of Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. So, Swamiji has been beautifully sharing about the Shyamala Peetam, and right now, the whole air at all the Kailasas is just vibrating with this news about this Shyamala Peetam. Thousands of people are sharing it everywhere, and it's just going viral, literally spreading very rapidly. So, understand that this is something very exciting, and Swamiji, literally, I've never seen Swamiji being so excited about something and every day sharing about that. So, this Shyamala Pitam is surely going to be a very huge success, a very huge opportunity, unimaginably powerful. So I would like all of you out there to jump in to contribute to this Shyamala Peetam as soon as possible. And one thing very exciting is, as Swamiji has already been declaring for the past so many days, that whoever contributes to this Shyamala Peetam will be experiencing the space in Kailash. Just some time back, we saw that there is actually a scriptural reference also to this. So understand that every single thing that is happening, His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Sri Nityananda Parameshwaram, the incarnation of Parameshwara himself, has already revealed it eons ago. And whatever he has revealed is just happening as a reality now. So, without any doubt, you are also one of those chosen ones who are going to be there at Kailash. Whoever has even heard this news, seen this anywhere, just know you are a chosen one too, because you cannot even hear it, you cannot even know it without His grace. As it says in one of the Tamil scriptures, also called the Puranas, it says beautifully, Avanarulale Avantal Vanangi, which means only by His grace we can even worship Him. Only with His grace you can even get to know about Him. Only with His grace can you even hear about Him. Therefore, even if you have seen this, heard this news, then understand it's only with His grace. And if His grace is there on you, then surely you are the chosen one. So, without any delay, I'm now going to be entering into the Shakti of mind reading, where just by scanning your inner space, I'll be revealing how you can contribute to this Shyamala Pitam, or how. See, it's not just like in the form of treasure, or talent, or time, but ultimately it is you offering your whole being, melting in that space of bhakti. So now I'm going to be performing and expressing the Shakti of mind reading and scanning you to find what is your exact way of relating to the Master, so that you know what is the easiest way to connect to Him and how you can manifest all your realities. So, as we're waiting for our people to comment below, whoever wants to experience the Shakti, you can leave a comment below. And I'm going to be scanning you. So, as we're waiting for you to type your comment, I'm now going to be chanting the Shastra Pramana, basically the scriptural reference for this Shakti of mind reading. Power of mind reading is directly from the Shiva Sutras, Sutra 1.15. हृदये चित्तसंगताद् दृशव्या स्वापदर्शनम् हृदये चित्तसंघाताद् दृश्या स्वापाददर्शनम् हृदये चित्तसंघाताद् दृशव्यापाददर्शनम्. The translation of this verse goes: when the individual mind is united to the core of consciousness, every observable or objective phenomena, and even the absence of energy of every objective phenomenon, is directly experienced as a form of consciousness and appears in its existential reality as it is. So as we just heard Parameshwar beautifully in-depth reveal about this Shakti, let me directly enter into the Shakti without any further delay. So we have many people who are commenting, requesting to reveal how they can contribute. So we have Ethan who is put a comment saying, how can I contribute? So Ethan, now I'm gonna be chanting the Mahavakya. I would like you also to sit straight, close your eyes, and get into the deep space of listening. So now I'll be chanting the Mahavakya 3 times, and I'm going to be scanning you thoroughly to tell exactly how you can relate to Swamiji, and just through that relationship, just through that trust, with His grace, you'll be able to manifest whatever you require to contribute. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda.
Okay, what Parameshwar revealed when I was scanning you was that there is actually a huge possibility for you to instantly become a Kailayavasi. And I'm sure this is a very exciting news for you. See, there is a lot of confusion in your mind that I'm saying. Like, you're not clear on your decisions and what you are doing, what you need to do. So, when I scanned you, the first thing that I could see is you're still thinking you need to think before you jump. But understand, Swamiji says, when you know something is right in your life, just jump before you think. After you jump, then you think, you will know what you've done is right. So I would tell you, when you have this opportunity to become a Kailayavasi, first jump into it, become a Kailayavasi, and then you will, and then how much ever you think, no problem, because the result will be that even becoming a Kailayavasi is a blessing for you. So the first thing, the most exciting thing is that you have the opportunity to directly become a Kailayavasi and join the Shyamala Peetham. And also, I could see clearly that for you to contribute to this, there is no obstacle, and you just need to think what is the best thing that you could do to it. So, I could actually see that you have a lot of people, a lot of friends, very close relatives who themselves have the ability to help you to be able to contribute to the Shyamala Peetham. So, I would suggest you to right away start chanting the Mahavakya and just look through your third eye, and the person's face will appear, and you will be able to get help from that person and contribute to this Shyamala Peetham. And don't worry, you will also be soon deified and reach Kailasa. So I would like to hear back from Aya for the scanning. So without any further delay, let us move on to the next segment of today's Seva. So I thank all of you have joined us for this segment of today's Uttama Seva. With this, we offer our gratitude at the feet of Paramashiva and Parashakti in the form of His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you, Nityananda.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
The next offering of today's Uttama Seva is the offering of Tirukailaya Vadyam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva திரு கைலாயவாத்ய பிரிய திரு கைலாயவாத்யம் அவதாரய.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
The next topic, the Tirthamurti Seva, is your friend, the Paramashiv, the Sangeeta Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda-koti Brahmanda-nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwara Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashita Sangeeta Shriya Sangeeta Svabhadaya Celebrating the revival of the Kailasa ecosystem, the Sarvabhauma Shyamala in Madurai. Today we offer our deep, heartfelt gratitude and love at the feet of Devi Meenakshi, during the Sangeeta Seva.
आनन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
The next offering during Nirtalottama Seva is the offering of the Nritta Seva. Devadevottama Devadasanubhoma Akhilanakoti Brahmandanayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Samepa Shri Nityanandeshwari Paramashiva Nrittapriya Nrittamavadharaya.
सहस्रकोटिसदृशां केयूरहारोज्ज्वलां बिम्बोष्ठीं स्मितदन्तपङ्क्तिरुचिरां पीताम्बरालङ्कृतां विष्णुब्रह्मसुरेन्द्रसेवितपदां तत्त्वस्वरूपां शिवां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां विधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिरां पूर्णीतुभद्रप्रभां सिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणी मणिधरां पद्मप्रभाभासुरां सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुतां वाणीरमासेवितां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयां ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलां श्रीचक्राङ्कितबिन्दुमध्यवसतिं श्रीवत्सभानायिकां श्रीमत्षण्मुखविघ्नराजजननीं श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनीं मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारामिधिम् श्रीवत्सुन्दरनायकीं भयहरां ज्ञानप्रदां निर्मलां श्यामाम्बां कमलासनार्चितपदां नारायणस्यानुजां वीणावेणुमृदङ्गवाद्यरसिकां श्रुतियुगलां नारायणेनार्चिता नादब्रह्ममयीं परात्परतरां नानादतत्त्वात्मिका मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम्
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्